Hey Puddins! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna doing the something like a get ready with me for my Harley Quinn Birds of Prey Kigurumi Cosplay, because I want to try some pics as the movie series. In the last video I show you all about the do-it-yourself for this one. So smash those subscribe and like buttons to be part of my Puddins Squad, and come on board to play with me, squad. The first step for our makeup tutorial is moisturize your face. In case I'm using my unicorn alarm. Ooh la la. And it's like a primer too. After that, I put on the foundation in all the face, and I'm done my eyebrows with a blonde eyebrow mascara. Oh my gosh, Puddins! Look at my mermaid brush! Fantabulous! Let's do the contour to most like Margot Robbie. And applying a lot of red blush. That's the secret for a crying baby look. I'm applying the black eyeshadow as an eyeliner, closing your lashes. The under too, and a flawless. Come on guys, it's true. A shimmer eyeshadow to open your eyes. That's super cute. Mascara time! And finally, to finish this makeup, red lip gloss, and voila! Here, that's not an ice cream, but at my mind and at your mind, it has a strawberry ice cream here. That's all, folks, okay guys? Easter eggs, Puddins. If you know the reasons, tell me here in the comments, okay guys? And now, the cheese balls I'm put on here. Because I want to try some pics and the movie series. Yum yum. As I told you at the last video, I made the prints and my Kigurumi using a pink fabric paint. and a brush like that. And this fabric is a fluffy one, and here is a microfibra. Tell me here in the comments how do you like my new Harley Quinn cosplay, okay guys? And smash those subscribe and like buttons to be part of my Puddins Squad. Peace out, Puddins!